active reach truck range, designed and produced here at the Basingstoke factory. This superb range has been specifically engineered for minimum lifetime costs, whilst maximising productivity and providing class-leading levels of operator comfort. The active range sets truly new standards in operator ergonomics, providing the perfect interface between operator and machine. This model is fitted with single-axis Linde load control levers, where each lever operates one function, allowing this truck to blend perfectly into existing fleets. Alternatively, the truck can be equipped with the dual-axis Linde load control, as shown on our electric counterbalance models, where each lever controls two mast functions. This makes efficient operation easy, as experienced operators are able to get the most from the truck's high performance. We also offer two pedal configurations, either the Linde twin pedal system or a single pedal accelerator with direction selector, as shown here on this demonstration model. Both systems ensure a rapid change of direction with energy-saving electrical braking, bringing the truck to a smooth stop as the accelerator is released. The sophisticated full suspension seat incorporates a range of height and weight adjustments and even includes a variable lumbar support as a standard feature to enable every operator to find the optimum driving position. The fully adjustable steering console incorporates a patented electric steering system which uses advanced technology to provide the essential road feel normally missing from electric steering systems. A 360-degree steering option, which Roy is showing us now, provides additional productivity benefits with its smooth and rapid change of direction, resulting in more pallet movements per hour and reduced energy consumption. Alternatively, a conventional 180-degree steering system is available to match existing trucks on site. Looking at the load handling end of the truck, you can see the excellent visibility offered by the open centre mast design. The mast sections are cleverly nested to present a slimmer profile to the operator. Only two lift cylinders are used, and all hoses and chains are aligned to create the least obstruction to visibility possible. For efficiency and safety in operation, an integral side shift and tilting fork carriage are also included as standard features in this high basic specification. Lift heights are available up to an impressive 12 metres, with excellent residual capacities retained at all heights. As the lift and reach speeds are extremely fast to achieve optimum productivity, the mast is electronically cushioned so that every movement is smooth and always under complete control. This new range is able to move more loads per battery charge than ever before, making it highly cost-effective in all applications. When multi-shift duties are required, of course, battery changing becomes an integral part of the application, and battery changing on these trucks is extremely quick and easy. The operator releases a lever by his right calf, which unlocks the battery from the chassis so that the reach mechanism can then draw it forward until it's in a convenient position to be changed, either by using an overhead crane and slings, or by rollers in the truck which allow the discharged battery to be rolled off and a fully charged one rolled back on. The reach mechanism then draws the battery back into the chassis until it automatically locks into place, freeing itself from the mast. Thus, with a minimum of downtime and delay, the truck is ready for another shift of operation. The active design technology allows service intervals to be extended to 1,000 operating hours, less maintenance than any other reach truck available today. This, combined with the fastest traction and lift speeds and outstanding ergonomics, makes Linde's active reach truck range a key contributor in reducing your materials handling costs.